Perfect outdoor space where you can relax, dine, or host gatherings without worrying about the weather or pesky insects? Imagine a gazebo that not only adds elegance to your backyard but also provides the ultimate protection and comfort. This isn't just any gazebo, it's a game changer. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, it's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring durability and stability no matter the weather. The double roof design not only adds a modern touch but also improves airflow and provides superior protection against rain and UV rays. With built-in mosquito netting, you can enjoy bug-free relaxation, making it perfect for evenings spent outdoors without the hassle of bugs. The spacious 10 by 13 foot coverage offers ample space for outdoor furniture, dining sets, or lounging areas, making it ideal for hosting gatherings, family meals, or simply relaxing in your backyard oasis. Get yours now by clicking the orange link below on the TikTok shop, and follow me for more tips like this.